Hello friends, now I am going to say about networking. Network is a collection of computers, servers, mainframes, network devices, peripherals or other devices connected to one another to allow sharing of data. They are divided into personal area network, campus area network, storage area network, virtual private network, enterprise private network. The first one is personal area network or PAN. The smallest and the most basic type of network, a PAN, is made up of a wireless modem, a computer, phones, printers, tablets, etc., and revolves around one person in one building. These types of networks are typically found in small offices, residences, and are managed by one person or organization from a single device. A personal area network is shown in this figure. The second type of network is campus area network or CAN. They are larger than LANs but smaller than MANs. These types of networks are typically seen in universities, large K-12 school districts, or small businesses. They can be spread across several buildings that are fairly close to each other so users can share resources. Here is a picture of campus area network. Third type is storage area network or SAN. As a dedicated high-speed network that connects shared pools of storage devices to several servers, these types of network don't rely on a LAN or WAN. Instead, they move storage resources away from the network and place them into their own high-performance network. SANs can be accessed in the same fashion as a drive attached to a server. Types of storage area network include converged, virtual, and unified SANs. Given picture shows storage area network. Fourth one is virtual private network or VPN. By extending a private network across the internet, a VPN lets its users send and receive data as if their devices were connected to the private network, even if they are not. Through a virtual point-to-point connection, users can access a private network remotely. Here is the picture of VPN. The next one is Enterprise Private Network or EPN. These types of networks are built and owned by businesses that want to be securely connect its various locations to share computer resources. This is a picture of EPN. Next topic is differences between bitrate and baud rate. Bitrate is simply the number of bits, that is zeros and ones, transmitted per unit time, while baud rate is the number of signal units transmitted in per unit time that is needed to represent those bits. The given equation defines the relation between the two. Bitrate equal baud rate into number of bits per baud. Now we can compare bitrate and baud rate with certain aspects. Basically, bitrate is the count of bits per second and baud rate is the count of signals per second. Bitrate determines the number of bits travelled per second and baud rate determines how many times the state of signal is changing. The term bitrate is usually used while the emphasis is on computer efficiency, and the term baud rate is usually used while the data transmission over the channel is more concerned. Bitrate cannot determine the bandwidth, while baud rate can determine how much bandwidth is required to send a signal. Bitrate can be calculated by multiplying baud rate with the bits per signal unit, and baud rate is calculated by dividing bitrate with the number of bits per signal unit. Here is a graph showing bitrate and baud rate.